Okay, so I think now this LMS page not a problem for you. So after Monday, Tuesday, the working as normal. After that, you can get the LMS page from our faculty website, right? Okay. If you still you have any problem, please ask. Right. And I think our LMS page, I post one discussion forum regarding the theory modules, computer hardware and software, right? This I post 2 discussion questions. I think only 2 replies are there. So others not giving you answer, your reply. Okay, please mention your point of view. What is the output device and what are the output device you know about in the real world, right? So you can test, right? Otherwise, you can discuss with other students also. Right, 2 topics are open already, but only 2 students are replied. Okay. And okay. Right. We will move our. Sorry. Not sharing, no? Sorry. I am not sharing. Right. Again, I will explain because I not share my desktop, the previous, right? Agree, agree.jfn.ac.lk and go to student menu and the LMS link available here. And also you can get the LMS page from this here using this link. You can get our faculty LMS, right? So please get your LMS page like this. And also I said about the post discussion. I post one discussion about this first topic, first modules. And in the discussion, I have posted 2 questions or 2 discussion topics, but only 2 are replied. Okay. So first discussion about, please discuss about output devices of a computer and list some of your known output devices. Two of you are mentioned or reply for this discussion. Please others, you can give your discussion. You can ask any question related on the output devices and input devices. Okay. Within yourself also you can reply. The topics already open, but 2 are only replied. Okay, please give your suggestion or your discussion here. Right. That's okay. Right, so we are moving now to our Word, right? Word, the Microsoft Word. We are learning about formatting tools available in the Word document, right? And then the last class I covered the font formatting and paragraph formatting. Example, on the borders, we can put the border down the paragraph or content, or we can put the page border, right? Page border. And also we discussed about the last class, the indentation, right? The right indent, left indent, the hanging indent, and the first line indent. And so many tools about the paragraph formatting discussed in the last class, right? Today we will move the next, not next, the more paragraph formatting options are available. So we will learn that as other tools, right? So first I will get one paragraph here. First, today we will learn as first the drop cap option. One of the features, one of the paragraph features, especially paragraph feature, is the drop cap. No? Under the insert menu, first, if you want to apply any paragraph formatting, first you want to select the paragraph or otherwise point out the cursor within the paragraph. That means now the first paragraph selected, all paragraph formatting we can apply for the first paragraph, right? No need to select all contents of the first paragraph. If you are applying any font formatting like the font style, size, bold, italic, you want to select first. You must select first. Okay. If you are using the paragraph formatting like the indentation, alignment, and line spacing, and the other things, the only enough the cursor point out within the paragraph, right? Now the first paragraph saved. I also mentioned about the drop cap option is one of the paragraph formatting, right? In the insert menu, you have so many insert option there. Here the insert here drop cap, one option here, the drop cap. Okay, using this the tool, we can drop the first character for a number of lines. Okay, so we can drop first character of the paragraph for number of lines. When you click this drop cap, the three options there, the first one none, and the none means no any drop cap options are applied. The second one, the drop, that's mean the drop take first character for number of lines. And the third one, the aligned first character for all lines. This is the default three options. If you want to customize this drop cap option, they click the drop cap option in this list. Right here, the drop cap dialog box will appear. The three the listed views are here. The none, the dropped, and margin. When you select the dropped, that's mean the first character dropped for number of lines, right? So, and then we can change some setting here. The first one, the font style. So now we are selecting for the drop cap, the first character of the paragraph. Here in this first paragraph, first character is V. So the particular V character font style. In default, the same font style for the body text, right? So if you want to change, you can change in the different font style for the first character. And I apply first here, and again I check this one. Here the second one, line to drop. Here in default 3 lines are dropped. Here, you know the 3 lines here, right? 3 lines, first character drop 3 lines. And this is the number of lines you want to drop. and this is the first character font style, and the third one is the distance from the text. That's mean the zero means this is the character of the drop character and the paragraph content here. Distance between this text and the character. So you can increase or decrease the space. Now I am increasing this. You can view the, you can now 1 inches here. This space is 1 inches. Right, this is the 1 inches. So you can decide the spacing between the text and the drop character using the dialog box, right? So the normally we are 0. It's better, right? So now, if you want to drop this first character for 4 lines, you can increase this 4 and click OK. Now the first character drop for 4 lines. So you can decide the particular first character, the dropping number of lines, how many lines want to be dropped. Right? Sometimes now point the cursor in the blank space. Now this drop cap not active, inactive. That's mean the selector no any paragraph selected. There are no any paragraph. Actually, the drop cap is the paragraph formatting. First, you want to select the paragraph, right? Here now available the drop cap because this line also 1 paragraph, right? This one paragraph and this one paragraph. Every entering is a 1 new paragraph in the word, right? So you can and also after applying the drop cap, the Word document, sometimes if you are reducing this paragraph width using indentation, you know the indentation, right? The left indent and right indent. Using this left and right indent, you can rechange the paragraph width. So when you moving this right indent, the paragraph moving inside, right? And like that, you can change this left side also. But the drop cap character not move. Okay. If you want to apply this indentation and the drop cap, first you want to do the indentation. After that, you can change the drop cap. The earlier, first we will apply the drop cap and then change the indentation, right? So first we will remove the drop cap. Okay. Now we can change the indentation and then select the paragraph, and now we can apply the drop cap. How many lines? Drop cap for how many lines? Okay. So this is the indentation, right? So sorry, the drop cap. Using this drop cap, you can drop a number of lines, drop a first character of the paragraph. Excuse me, sir, when you record today's session, sir. Yes. I not recorded because the one batch already recorded, same thing, right? I will same thing, same like this. So I have the recorded video, so I will share because all the the next session, practical sessions are same both groups. Okay, so the no need to record this one. Right. Right. Then the this is the rob cap. You can apply the rob cap for your paragraph, right? Okay. Okay, that's a drop cap. Another one option for the assignment is the footnote and endnote, right? Another option available in the Word. That's also one of the not paragraph option. That one not paragraph, but the referencing option, right? The footnote and endnote. Most of the scientific books, the online books or your hard copy books, hard copy, you can find the footnote and endnote, right? For example, when you, I will show the example now. Here, sometimes in your books or the document have this footnote. Here, the IBM. What is the IBM? IBM is one of the organization, the computer hardware or software producing company, and we can give more description about these words or any contact number or any other full terms of this short word. We can give as footnote. Here we give mark one mark, and the end of the page is computer manufacturer company. Okay, whenever when you find this, if you want to know about this, right? If you want to know about this, you can find this mark in your bottom of the page and the computer manufacturer company. And then again here, the university, and one mark here, the number mark here, and the more description about these words listed here. That may be the full terms of the text or description of the text or any contact link or URL, anything. If you want to mark any description or anything, you can make this footnote. But most of the books have these features. They mark the numeric number or in symbol on the body text, and the explanation of the marked word on the bottom of the page. Every bottom of the page, every page contains footnote listed in the foot of the or end of the page, every page. That is called in footnote, right? Footnote. Endnote means same thing, but this denoted characters, denoted description listed last page of the document. If you have 100 page, the most of the pages have the note, right? The particular note listed in 101 page, the last page of the document. All the page noted on the last page, the 101 page. That's the end note. If you are placing that note in the end of the every page, that is called footnote. Most of the books, so most of the documents have the footnote, right? Right. Now I will explain how to put this footnote in your document, right? now we have, so I place the mouse pointer in the one word here, right? Point out the cursor here, and then go to reference, right? Go to reference. One option is the footnote. In default, the footnote is the default, right? So first I will explain about footnote, and then I will explain about how to change the footnote as endnote. In default, this is the footnote, right? When you click this footnote, the one mark here in the mark near the word, and one noted here, and we can type the description about the word. Right? And here, right, I place another place, the galleries, okay? The gallery, so anything here, end of the page, pixels, right? The point of the cursor here, after the word, right? And again go to the reference and then the insert footnote. Now automatically put 2 here because earlier put 1 and automatically increase by 1. Here 2 and here another 2. Right? Like this, you can put the footers. Right? Now second page, if you put the footnote for here after the reading and click this footnote here, 3. Okay, every footnote, the end of the page have the footnotes of the particular page. Here 1, 2, and automatically increase by 1. Here 3, right? Right. So when you mouse over on the particular word, automatically view the comments. This is an MS Word feature to put header and footer. And second thing here, this is the footnote, right? So footnote, the text will appear as the comments. And also when you double click on the number, the particular cursor move automatically to the particular footnote, right? Right. If you want to customize in default the footnote and the footnote not character is the numerical number. If you want to change this character and the footnote as a note, you want to get the dialog box, right? In this panel, have the footnote dialog box, right? Here, when you click this one, we can get the endnote and footnote dialog box, right? Using this dialog box, you can customize this option. So the first, the footnote and the endnote. If you want to apply the endnote, you can select the endnote. That's mean the note given in the end of the document, right? The most of the cases we are putting the footnote, the every bottom of the page. Same thing, the not placed in the bottom of the page or end of the page. That's the difference. And the column layout no need to here, and the number format you can in default the numbers are here 1, 2, 3 like this. You can change the A, B, C, or Roman letters 1, 1, 2, 3 like that, right? So now I placed a cursor. First I put the cursor here, smart art, and go to footnote dialog box, and here now we will change this the number format as symbol, right? When you click the symbol, you can get the symbol dialog box, right? Now you can view the symbol dialog box. Using the symbol dialog box, you can select any symbol. Sometimes the symbol dialog box first time make some time. Right? Right. Here the symbols are here. You can select any symbol from this list. And these are the recently used symbols. I select one symbol from this list and click OK. And then now symbol selected and click insert. Now the particular mark inserted after the word, and here we can put our note here. But the already given the 1, 2 is not changed. Okay, now we will insert another footnote with a specific symbol. Now I will put symbol here and automatically put here the same symbol and text we will type. The symbol automatically view here. No need to insert again here. Automatically symbol will come here also. And you can enter your text here. Right. This is the footnote. Like this, end of the note, this note appear in the last page of the document. That's the whole endnote. Whenever you can apply footnote or endnote. So in this assignment, have the number of footnotes here. The two footnotes are there. One footnote with one symbol, and another footnote is default Arabic numbers, right? Okay. And that's an endnote and footnote. And now another features available in the Microsoft Word is insert symbol, right? So normally we can enter characters from the keyboard. The keyboard have the alphanumeric characters A to Z, small and capital letters, and have some symbols plus, minus, asterisk, less than, greater than, right? And some the mathematical operators and other specific symbols are here. You can enter these the text or characters or symbol using keyboards. But so many symbols are here. Symbols have in Microsoft Word. And we can get the symbol from the symbol dialog box. So example, alpha or beta or gamma, you know, the all of you are in your AL advanced level, you learn about, you face the physics, right? So in the physics subject, you already know about the alpha, beta, gamma, these symbols. So if you want to put mu or alpha or beta symbol in your page, so the particular symbol not available in the keyboard, right? So you can get this symbol from symbol dialog box. So not only the alpha, gamma, beta, so many symbols are listed there, right? So insert, go to insert, and this here the symbol here, right? I will explain about the equation later. Now about symbol, right? Symbols. Here some the recently used symbols are here. Recently used in this PC, right? These symbols are recently used in this PC. And if you want to get the more symbol, click the more symbol dialog box. Now the same symbol dialog box. The previously I viewed this dialog box for the footnote, right? Same dialog box. Using this dialog box, you can get the symbols. Every your font, I think my PC have more than 1,500 different font, right? Every font have the symbols, different style of symbols here, characters and symbols, right? Every characters, every sometimes in our the local language, when you are typing the local language, the Tamil or Sinhala, the some of the characters not mapping into keyboard. The particular characters here listed, we can get these characters, right? Actually, these some of these characters not available in the keyboard, right? Select any style symbol from this list. Under the symbol, you have all symbols, right? Mu, lambda, right? So I select this mu, click insert. Now the particular inserted character inserted in your cursor point place, right? After that, put any equal. Click here and put equal, and any 5 pi. Select pi and insert. Like that, you can insert characters, right? So after inserting the characters, you can close the window. And this actually, these characters are the font, right? So you can increase or decrease the size using the font size. Now 12, when you change the size of this font, actually this symbols are actually font. So using the font size, you can change the size, right? So this symbol dialog box have so many symbols, right? So many symbols. But here under the every PC have some real symbol collected under bindings, so webdings, right here binding webdings, yeah, webdings. Every PC have this symbol collection. This webdings collection have some the real symbol, real words characters. Most of the real shapes, real symbols are here, right? You can select any symbol from this list. right? Select any symbol and click insert. The particular selected symbol will appear in your uh, place. Right? So, like this, you can insert any symbols, and you can change the size also. I entered this the characters for the next page, and here you can increase the size more using this font size, right? Okay, you can apply or you can insert any symbols, and within this same symbol dialog box, the wingdings have so many real world characters, right? Real world characters. And also the webdings here, wingdings too have some, this another collection of the symbol, right? And the wingdings 3 also have some symbol, mostly arrow symbol. So these wingdings and wingdings 2, 3 collection have real symbols, and webdings also there, like webdings also there. Here, this webdings. This is also some real characters. These webdings and wingdings are some real characters, right? They are symbols. You can select a symbol, different symbol, right? Okay. Now you can do the assignment. Okay. 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. Right. So this is the assignment 3. Actually, this is the assignment 3. You can do this assignment yourself, right? This is the page border. I explained about how to insert page border in the last class. You can put the page border and paragraph borders and paragraph fill colors. One fill color are filled, and here the indentation, first line indent here and hanging indent here, and this is using indentation and drop cap and footnote and the symbols, right? Symbols. So now you can do this assignment, right? You can do this assignment, the third assignment, right? And also, so now you are ready for the third assignment, okay? To do the third assignment. Now I will explain more. Right. Now I have so many contents, right? So many contents. Now we will see the header and footer, right? So I will explain about header and footer, the option available in the Word, right? The header and footer, the two options, header and footer, both are different. The header means if you want to place any contents or text or any phrase in all pages, head part. Okay, if you want to place one face means the face may be character or picture or line or any text or sentence, right? You can place every pages in the document. If you have the pages around the 50 pages, all 50 pages have you can put this footer, the header at the head part of the top of the page. Like that, you can place any contents or phrase bottom of the page. That's called the footer, right? So first, I will here. This is the body text. This is the body text, and when you double click on the top or bottom, now I place the mouse pointer on the top of the page, the margin space. Double click on it. Now this body text inactive, right? The body text inactive, and the header part is active now. The footer, the body page inactive. That's mean you are in the header part, header. Like that, this is the footer, right? So you can place any text here. The footer, header or footer, the particular text appear in all pages, right? Now I place Faculty of Agriculture. Right? Actually, I typed one content, and we can change the style of this text and bold or italic, right? That you can apply font color also, right? Now these words or with this phrase appear in all pages in your document, right? This is the second page, is the third page, the fourth page, every page up to last page. Last page. Now we have 9 pages, no? So every page have this same text. So you can place this type of text in the left side or center or right side. Now I put any text in the right side. ACC 11012, right? Now these texts appear in all the top of the page, right? If you finish your editing, the header editing, double click on the body text. Automatically, now this the header part inactive. The header part inactive, but all pages have this header. Like that, you can change the footer part also. Double click on the page and type here. and you can apply any formatting here. Now this Sri Lanka word appear in all pages footer, right? If you want to apply, if you want to put the page number here, the pointer of the cursor in the right side or center place, the place and then the point, the places we can select whenever, right? So now I am selecting the place, the page number place at right side of this document, right? And go to design. Now, when you available or when you active the header and footer, one more additional tool will appear, the design, right? Using the design, you can customize your footer and header. Here the active footer of header, you can place the different header and footer and the page number here. But the page number also so many options. You can select the page number at the top of the page or the different styles. Here we want to select the current person because I am placing the cursor on the right hand bottom corner. Right here I place the pointer here, so we can set the current position here. Now this is the first page. Automatically increase the page 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Every pages have the page number. Automatically increase by 1. No need to type every pages by you, right? Right. So here in default, the page number is normal Arabic number, right? So you can change this number as Roman letters. So Roman letters or any other ABC like that, right? Select the page number and again go to the page number option and using the format page numbers. Using the format page numbers. When you click this format page number, default page number format is normal 1, 2, 3. So you can change any styles, ABC or Roman letters ABC, anything. Now I select this Roman letters 1, 2, 3 and click OK. Now this page number is changed in the Roman letters, right? Right. Now again go to the format page number and here again I change the normal header, so normal number format and started the continuous from the previous section means the first page start with 1, 2, 3 like that, right? Every pages have the page number increased by 1. If you want to start the page number from 10 page, right, the default, the page number start with 1, 2, 3. So you can set the page number start with 10. Start at 10 and click OK. Now this is the first page. Actually, this is the first page, but the number start from 10. Right, the first page mark as 10 and 11, 12, like that. The page number start with 10. I place this one, okay. So using this, you can set the page number. Using this close header and footer, you can close the header and footer. Now the body text active, the header and footer inactive, right? You want to change, you can, if you want to update on the header and footer, first you want to enable the header and footer the layout or this place, right? Using double click on the header or footer, you can activate this section. Otherwise, you can go the insert and header and footer. Using these tools also, you can get edit header. Now automatically the cursor plays within the header. Like that you can get the footer also, right? And also here I place some text here, and here in this place, right? I have put the predefined text, the date and time. You can place the date and time, right? The click in the date and time. Now the date and time dialog box will appear. Using this dialog box here, the different style of the dialog box, style of the date formats are here. We are actually in the United States style layout. So the most of the countries, the United States or UK, the first month, second noted the date, and third one year. In our country, mostly we are putting the first one, the date, second one month, and fourth one, third one is a year. And here the language is the default language is United States. So the date format also mostly in the United States style. The most of the first one is the month, and second one the date, and third one, right? The Australian style, Australian English, Australian styles with our style. Okay, right. The first one date and month. Here we are now 3rd September 2021, right? So you can set it like this or like this. You can select the date format, right? Click OK. Now the date will appear in the footer. If you want to put time also, and again go to the date and time and select the time here. Click OK now, the time. So this time, this date and time, the save date and time. Now we are saving this document today. So the time is 4:03, right? So this is the current date and time, right? When you save as this file in another place, automatically change this date and time, right? That's mean the file created date and time, right? So you can place. And also here the document info, the author means the author of this computer. So when you are installing this computer, you can get the author of the PC, right? So most of the computer operating system are not genuine, no? So most of the cases we omit the name of the author in the PC. In the Dell computer, the author name is Dell. HP computer, author name is HP. If you are using the original version of the Windows operating system, you can set all authors or the name and everything, because that operating system genuine, right? No any and the legal issues, right? So here this author and file name, the saved file name and file path and document title means this document title you can place here, right? And so many, you can place your company name here or the company address, email, fax, phone, so many options are there, right? Now I save this document now. Save this document now in my D drive, Faculty of Agriculture, ACC 1101, right? I put one name, example, right? Example, and save this document, right? Now this file saved, right? Saved in your PC. Now I delete this one and put the page file path. Okay. When you click the file path, the footer have the file path. Actually, the file save place of this in this computer. Actually, the most of the office management, right? The office document and place this file path because in office document so many in the management assistant and CW any clerk managing. One staff save one location, the particular day, particular staff leave, then other staff how to find the particular file where to save that within the PC. If you are place this document path in your document, using the hard copy, we can find the place where we saved, okay, D drive. First, we want to open the D drive and the folder Faculty of Agriculture, and then find the folder ACC 1102. Within this folder, have this file and the page. What's the file name? Exam.docx, right? It's easy to find the path of this document. Right? When you save this document in another place, automatically change this path, current path. So now I am saving this file within the flash drive, automatically change this path. Right? The actual path will appear in this. Every time when we change the location of this file, automatically change this document path. Okay, and also we can apply borders. Now I select this text or cursor, point of the cursor here, and the home ribbon one have the border and shading, right? Border and shading, and select not page border, the content border. I select one border style, right? Border style. And I plan to remove the top left and right, only place bottom, right? Now I select the cursor within the line, right? Cursor in the line. And now put the border, the bottom of the line. Okay, click OK. Now one border will appear in all pages, right? Like that, you can put footer also. Click this footer and again go to border and shading, right? And select the border style. Select the border style. And here we remove the bottom, left and right, only top. Click OK. Now one. Now close the window. Automatically put top and bottom borders for all pages. Right? Okay. So now you can give the border, header and footer. And also we can apply we can insert logo or images in the top the header and footer. Now place the mouse pointer at the top of the page, the header, right? Insert here the picture. Now the picture, the open dialog box will appear. You can select any pictures from this list, right? And select the symbol from. You can increase or decrease the size, right? Now this logo will appear in all pages. I am placing this logo in the one first page or from one page, right? But appear in all pages. can move. Actually, this text in one line, right? The image also placed at the line, right? I cut this content from this line, and I place this the right side. And another option, insert the text box. Actually, the text box is the we can place any set of any text using the text box. So now the draw text box and click a box here. Now this is a text box. You can type text here. I already copied the text here. I place the text here, right? And you can freely move this text box. You can place this text box anywhere. That easy to place text. I place this text here, right? But the text box has the border around this text. We can remove the border, right? Click this text box and format, go to the format and the shape outline. No outline. Remove the outline now. Now this set of text placed in every page's top header. And also you can apply the different style, right? Now I am in the header, and here the design, the different first page, different odd and even pages, so document text. When you click this show document, it's actually this document text. Now I am selecting this document, but inactive because we are in the editing mode of the header and footer, right? So when you are in the editing mode, the header and footer, we can't change any content, the body content, document text. So now this is show body content. If you pick this one, I think one layer available here. Otherwise, when you remove this one, automatically these body contents are hidden, and pick this one, automatically show, right? But inactive. And this first one, the different first page means if you have now you have 10 pages, right? So you can apply these header and footer except first page. Sometimes the first page, the header page, no title page. We can put this header and footer from second page. Okay, so if you plan to put the header and footer from second page, that means except first page, you select this one, right? You automatically remove the first page header and footer, and then from second page the header and footer available, but first page removed, right? Because the different first page, we can remove the header and footer from first page. Okay, right. So whenever you can remove the first page header and footer. And second one, the different odd and even pages. Different odd and even pages means every odd pages, that means first page, third page, fifth page, seventh page, ninth page, the odd number pages in one style, and even pages another style. Even pages means second page, fourth page, sixth and eighth page. The even number of even pages in different style. So in the book, if you are preparing a book, okay, so 100 pages on the book. So every sheet have two sides. The one side is the odd page and second page is the even page. So we can apply the different the header and footer for both pages, first page and second page, and third page and fourth page, right? Using this one. Okay, so using this one, and also you can apply the space. In default header and footer space is 1.5 inches. This space additionally from the margin. Already we are putting the margin for the page. This one adding with the margin space. If your margins top margin is 0.6, this one 0.5, totally 1.1 spaces are allocated for the top side, right? Using this, you can apply the header and footer. So now the header and footer not problem to you. Any style you can apply. Actually, this one is a footer, right? You can apply the footer. Although you have third assignment. Right, okay. Now we will move another option available in the Microsoft Word, the dividing column, right? Dividing column. All contents of this page, this document, have in one column. One column means every page start with the left margin to right margin in one column, right? In default, all pages are in one column, right? So you can divide this content as 2 column or 3 column. This feature is available in the Word, right? Now go to design layout, right? Layout and column. Here the one different this is default the one column, and this is the second 2 columns and 3 columns. When you click this 2 column, the all pages are divided in 2 columns. Already this page have the indentation now. So right now all pages are divided in 2 columns, right? This 2 columns, right? Okay. And here 3 columns now divided in 3 columns, all pages. And this one, the left side column width less than the right column width. Like that, the right is also, right side column is less than from the left side column width, right? If you want to change more about this column, click more column option. Now the column dialog box will appear. Using this dialog box, you can use the earlier listed preset, right? Now I selected 2. Or otherwise, you can set 3, 4, 5 like that. You can decide number of columns. I divide in 2 columns. Click OK. Now your all documents in 2 columns. But the spacing between the columns, this is the first column, no? This is the first column width. And second column width, this one, second column width. The spacing between the column, you can decide. Normally 0.5 inches. So we can change, we can reduce or increase this space. I think this decrease is better, right? So we can decrease the spacing between the column using the column dialog box. Here we are applying equal column width. That's mean all divided columns width are same. One column width is 3.08. The all column width are same. If you want to change, first you want to remove this tick, and you can, this one the second column width and this one the first column width. You can change the column width. Right? Mostly we are placing the equal column width. And the spacing, this one spacing between first column and second column. Here the 0.5 inches is the spacing, right? So you can reduce the spacing by 0.3. The space is reduced now. So using this column dialog box, you can decide spacing between the column, right? If you want to place the line between the column, click this line between and click OK. Now the vertical line apply to all the pages, dividing between the columns. So you can decide that place the vertical border or not. If you plan to remove, you can pick out this line between and click OK. Right? But when you are applying this column, all pages of these documents are divided in. If you have 100 pages, all 100 pages are divided in two columns, the same column. Now I am applying to this column as one column, right? Now we will change this content only in two columns. So first we prepare this content in one column. After entering this document in the content, we can divide in number of columns. Now this is the text, this is one paragraph or one content. You can select multiple paragraphs, not the issue. The first select the content, that may be one sentence or one paragraph or multiple paragraphs, right? So now I select one paragraph, right? And click column and the column more columns and select two columns here. And here the apply to, first the earlier only available the whole document, because the earlier I am not selected the content. Now already selected the content. So now the selected text also appeared. The earlier one only all document. That means all the apply this column style, apply all the documents. Now we want to change the selected text. Click OK. Now the above contents, I select the column space is also reduced, right? Okay, now this one's one column, right? This is two column and this is one column. So within the content, we can decide the number of columns, or we can put different number of columns. Now I select this one. These two paragraph and click column and more column and three column. I select now three column. Here this is the compulsory part, the selected text, and click OK. Now and we can change the size also. The space between the column is high. Now this document in three columns, but above content in one column and this three, and here one column. So that's the easy method. So first create the content is one column, then change that one, select the particular content and change the number of columns, that is a better. Right, if you are planning to enter your contents after dividing the column, right? Now I am in the page now. Actually, here we are in one column, no? Right. If you are placing in the two column here, right here, when you click the mouse pointer here you are the horizontal ruler divided in three parts. This one in the first part, and this one in the second part, and this one is third part. We are in the first part. When you select the second part, automatically the indentation all are available in the second part. Here now in the cursor, third column. Here you are active in the third column. So you can find the number of columns using the rule, horizontal rule. Right? So now you are in one column, no? Here from left to right. Okay, now we will divide the space as number of columns and then make typing. Earlier I explained about first type the contents in one column. After that we can divide the number of columns. Here I am explaining the first divide the column and then we can enter the text. Actually the better and easy the previous method, right? Now I point out the cursor here and go to column, more columns, and divide it in two columns. And here you want to change another one more, this point forward. That means you are dividing two columns from this point. This point means cursor point. This point forward from this cursor point, right? This is the compulsory part. So you must select this point forward. Otherwise, when sometimes the apply to like this, the two columns are divided in all contents of the document, right? So this is the better. And click OK. Now, after this cursor, divided in two columns. So now we are typing now, right? Okay, I'm typing the text automatically. Cursor move to next line, right? Right. If you enter like this, the lines go up to end of the page. The line, the column end up to the last line, and then move to second column, right? So now I am break this column from this place. Break this column and go to next column. You can go. Point of the cursor here, and here in the layout, break and column. It's the column break, right? Now I click this column break. Automatic cursor go next column. You can type there. Okay. Like that, you can type the contents. Actually, this is the difficult one. Sometimes when you change the number of columns, the text, all text are moving. Next column or the rearranging all contents is difficult to change. The better method is first typing the content in one column first and then select the content and then you can change the number of columns. That's the better. Right. Okay. Now finish the two column. I've entered the cursor new line and then we want to change one column. Right. After that, we want to change one column. Again, go to column option, more column, and select one column. And here, this point, what is the must? Select this one and click OK. Now you are in one column. You are in the one column, right? Okay. So you can type like this also. So I think the first method is better. Type all things in one column, and then you can divide the number of columns, right? So using this column option, you can type your contents in two columns, right? Now your second assignment also ready. Actually, these are the header. You can put these contents in header, and actually I think these texts are repeating, so no need to type everyone. So you can copy and paste a number of times. Actually, this one, all are same content, and first one also same. Type this one and copy number of times you can get, right? So these contents in one column, and here then divided in three columns with the vertical bar, and this is another one column, and here two column, and again one column, and the last page is the footer. Everything you know, right? Today I will post these two assignments, assignment 3 and 4 in LMS. Please do this assignment. I will give 1 week to do this assignment yourself and submit this assignment separate link. I will create separate link for assignment 3 and 4. Right? You can, but another consideration, please do not search same font style or thing. Here I am using same font style for this one and a different font style here. Only to search what is this font style. Anybody know the font style here? No. So the task or purpose, you can do this. You can change the font style in yourself. That's enough. No need to search same font style. This exam also, when you are in the exam, practical exam, no need to search the same font style or same image. If you are placing place one images in the text, no need to search the same image. The task, can you put one images on within the document? That's task. You can put image. You can put any image on the place. The full marks will come. So no need to search same image or same font style, and also here the same shape or form, same characters or same symbols. No need to search same symbol, right? We are assigning or we are assessing. Can you insert the characters or can they insert the symbol? That's enough, right? Page border also. Actually, this is one page border. You can put any page border. That's enough, right? Okay. I think the two assignments enough today, right? So you can do these two assignments. So I will finish this as the session now. And I will post this video and this two assignment in your LMS. Please do yourself, right? And also please give this your suggestion or your discussion. Appreciate on this both heading, right? You can type your what you mean, what you learn about the hardware, input device and output device. What are the devices you know? You can list, right? Okay, thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you have any problem or doubt, please ask. Now the class is finished. So if you have no any doubt or question, you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.